Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. MyPrivateLender.com serves as a valuable resource for individuals seeking private lending options. Whether you're an investor exploring potential investment avenues or a borrower in need of specialized financing, MyPrivateLender.com offers a platform to connect with private lenders. The site facilitates connections between borrowers and lenders, specializing in loans that may not fit traditional lending criteria. This can be particularly helpful for real estate investors seeking quick funding for fix and flip projects, bridge loans, or other short-term financing solutions. MyPrivateLender.com streamlines the process of finding and securing these often niche loans. For those seeking funding, the platform provides access to a network of private lenders across a range of loan types and specializations. This can open doors to financing opportunities that may not be readily available through conventional banks or mortgage companies. Borrowers can explore various loan options, compare terms, and potentially secure funding tailored to their specific needs. It's important to remember that private lending often comes with different terms and conditions than traditional financing, so careful consideration and due diligence are always recommended. Investors interested in private lending can also utilize MyPrivateLender.com to identify potential investment opportunities. The platform can connect investors with borrowers seeking capital for various projects, allowing them to diversify their portfolios and potentially achieve higher returns. Exploring the available options and understanding the risks associated with private lending is crucial for investors to make informed decisions. MyPrivateLender.com offers a convenient way to access and navigate the private lending market, but users should always conduct thorough research and carefully evaluate the terms and conditions before engaging in any lending or borrowing activities. The platform empowers individuals to connect and explore alternative financing solutions while offering a centralized resource for navigating the complexities of private lending.